Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai has issued 1 week deadline to Bengaluru Commissioner to fill up the potholes in the city. In fact, CM Bommai has also agreed to go on a tour with citizens to inspect the ground situation. Remember, 4 lives have been lost in the span of 2 months due to pothole menace in the city, and this is the 4th deadline issued by the government to fix the pothole menace.
I have got certain reports from Bangalore Commissioner, and I am going to hold a meeting today. And since there was rains, I want to give some time, that's 1 week. 1 week I will give to Bangalore Police Commissioner to fill up all the potholes. And after that, if there are certainly leftover and a lot of things are not done in the right way, I am ready to go on tour with the city.
Let's go across to our correspondent Neha Hebale now, who is joining us with more details in this. So Neha, another day, another deadline. The biggest question remains whether the Bommai government and the civic agencies can actually walk the talk.
Well, that's absolutely right. This is another day, another deadline, like you rightly pointed out. Let's remind our viewers here that the Karnataka government has already missed 2 deadlines which were set only by them. There was no pressure from the people, but this was the deadline that they set for themselves, stating we would fill up all the potholes by this time. Now, despite that, day after day, we're seeing how complaints of, increasing number of potholes have shot up. And here you now have the Chief Minister for the first time breaking silence on this and saying that, in fact, I would myself travel with the people, with the citizens of the state, if in 1 week's time the BBMP does not get its act together and does not fix the potholes. Now, let's just give you some context to this. In fact, there have been at least about 4 deaths in just the past 3 months, all owing to potholes, all owing to negligence by officers. Now, when we questioned the Revenue Minister about this just about a week back, he had said that he would not be setting any more deadlines simply because the government cannot stick to it. It was a very big embarrassing admission over there coming in from him. And even after that, we're seeing how there are several reasons that are being given, several excuses, that it was raining, that there weren't enough funds. There are a host of reasons that we've seen. And now, essentially with the Chief Minister stating 1 week from today, in fact, today, being 29th October, so essentially by about, 6th of November is what we should be expecting, that all the potholes across the city would be filled. He's also said that he would hold a meeting with the officials over here, and in the likelihood that for whatever reason some potholes across the city are not filled, he would then be willing to even go around with the citizens listening to their woes. Now, yes, while this is again a tall statement being made over here, let's remind you that in fact all of the previous statements that have come in right now from the Bommai government, have not been kept up with, only pertaining to the potholes of the city. So we'll have to see, 1 week, of course, is not a lot of time, considering the number of potholes that are plagued right now on the city's roads. Also, let's remind you that in some parts where, it's not just the potholes, but the negative roads that the civic body had pointed out, well, those will also have to be addressed. And we'll really have to see whether the civic body and the government can now quickly, at least this time around, stick to the deadline promised by them.
Another important thing which needs to be highlighted, Neha, here is that last time when we tracked the entire timeline of deadlines that were given by Bengaluru civic authorities as well as the Karnataka government, the last time they actually cited rains as the reason for not fixing the potholes of the roads, in fact delaying the entire repair work. If this time around they fail to meet the deadline which has been set by CM Bommai himself, they will have no excuse whatsoever to hide behind.
Well, that's absolutely right. It would be safe to say now that Bengaluru city has not witnessed rains at least for the past 3 to 4 days now, which also, in fact, goes on to validate what you said about how, the government would not have any excuse. They would have, in fact, run out of excuses is what one would hope. But we'll really have to see, because this time around, the Chief Minister himself setting the deadline. This was not the civic body chief. This was not the Revenue Minister, but the Chief Minister himself setting a deadline of 1 week for the civic body to fill up all the potholes. And And if it's not done this time around, will action be taken against those concerned officials? That is the biggest question we've been asking from the start, that if action is taken against a few officials, if an example is set, then probably the rest of the officials would, ideally pull up their socks and get down to work. So we'll have to see how this pans out. 1 week is what we're all going to keep our eyes on, the citizens of the city as well as us. We're going to constantly keep the pressure up on this until the city's roads are fixed and taxpayers are given their due.
Right, of course. We will be tracking this particular story closely on Mirror Now. Our big focus here is, of course, the condition of roads in mega cities like Bengaluru and how the civic agencies, the government keeps on dragging their feet on this particular issue. And the citizens are ultimately the people who are suffering because of it. Thank you, Neha, for sharing all those details.